she is. There you are. Hi.
Thank you.
Start.
Some more grand touring. Jane and Bruce Leonard, husband and wife
Watch your lights.
team.
Okay.
The little yellow one will start the countdown in a minute, and you go on the green. 4,
Hair
3,
Motorsports.
2,
I think that
1.
I'm not sure if that has
Off
to
you
do
go,
with their
girls.
age,
Good luck.
but from Ontario, good luck.
Girls,
Jane and Bruce.
easy. Okay, nice and easy, nice and easy. Okay, yes, it's there's our circle. Okay, pass the keg, pause, full. Look at Ellery. Here's where we need to turn there. Okay.
Yep.
Now easy. Are we turn there? Yep.
Turn there.
Did I miss it?
Yep, you missed it.
Okay, you can do it. That was a fast one. Turn beyond the car. Turn. Okay.
Okay, have you made your first mistake now? We're
Yeah,
all
I think
good?
so. Yeah.
Good now.
Okay, Ayers Cove. Left. Cross Water Street. You've got a flashing red. Stop.
Yes, dear.
Okay. Easy.
Yeah, I know, but I'm looking.
What have they got?
Flashing red.
Stop onto Duckworth. Left onto Church, where the van is. Past Gower Street, past Queens, past Garrison, keep right. Past Gower. Easy. Okay, easy. I'm not sure where
Past
we're
Garrison. Past Garrison. Past Cathedral.
Yes, we're good.
Past Victoria.
Hang on. Past Prescott Street. Coming. You're going fast for me, Jane. Yes, Prescott Street, Flavin. Straight ahead. Yield. T left. Or forced left.
Force left and take
Right.
right. Okay, rock.
4.2.
Okay.
You've got a really odd junction into an acute left. Onto
38.
Kings Bridge.